In today's video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the end value FKBRI01 wired USB keyboard. It's a budget-friendly keyboard available for under 300 rupees. But is it actually worth buying? Let's find out. Let's start with the unboxing. The packaging is pretty basic as expected at this price point, but it does the job. Inside we get the keyboard and user manual cum warranty card. It has both the basic instructions and warranty details in one. Here is the keyboard, the end value FKBRI01. It's a wired USB keyboard that comes in black color. The keyboard has carbon fiber texture on both the front and back, giving it a stylish look, especially for a entry-level product. It's also lightweight, compact, and doesn't feel bulky or cheap in the hands. For its price range, the build quality is surprisingly decent. It also comes with stand-fit legs at the back, which you can flip out to elevate the keyboard. This makes typing a lot more comfortable. The USB cable is 1.3 meters long, which is decent length for connecting to your desktop or laptop without any stretch. Typing on this keyboard is smooth experience. The keystrokes feel soft and best of all. And also it's silent. There is no annoying clicky sound, so it's perfect for quiet work environments. You also get essential caps lock, num lock and scroll lock indicator lights. Always a handy addition, especially for work. Although this is an entry-level keyboard, the overall quality is pretty good for this price. It doesn't feel flimsy and the design gives it a modern touch. The MRP is $699, but you can easily find it on Amazon for under 300, which is honestly a great deal. It's rated for 5 million keystrokes and comes with a 1-year warranty, so that adds a bit of reliability too. If you are used to premium mechanical keyboard, this will obviously feel like a downgrade, but if you have used regular everyday keyboards, this can actually feel like an upgrade, especially with the smoother typing and added features. If you are interested in buying the end value FKBRI01, check out the purchase link in the description. And if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more honest tech reviews and budget buys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.